I just wrote the stories. I would get an idea in the middle of the night, I'd run to the veranda of my house, and I'd sit there and scribble away and scribble away and scribble away. When it's done, written, I'd come back to sleep. That is how I wrote those stories. And they were all motivated. ये कोई ऐसी बकवास नहीं थी कि वो चोर आया और ये भाग गया और उसने इसको मारा और उसने वो किया और ये इधर से उड़ के चला गया. They had something to say to our modern child. Even today, they are pertinent. Because those values which I try to portray without giving them a bhashan, किसी को मैंने भाषण नहीं दिया. They were all part of the story. This is what happened. And I have to thank Mr. J.C. Jain for this because he is the one who coaxed me into starting to write. He was starting a children's magazine called Parag. Times of India was starting. तो मुझे उन्होंने कहा कि देखो ये पहला इशू निकला है पराग का, देखो तो कैसा लगता है. तो मैंने देखा उसको और I looked at it. I said, I don't call it a children's magazine. So he was a little taken aback. He said, why don't you call it a children's magazine? मैंने कहा मैं इसमें ये डालूंगी, मैं ये डालूंगी, ये डालूंगी, ये डालूंगी, ये डालूंगी, तब ये children's magazine बनेगा, नहीं तो नहीं बनेगा ये. So he said, why don't you start writing for it? I said, I'm not a writer. मैं क्यों लिखूंगी खामखा? नहीं नहीं. He said, you're right. It'll be nice. You can try. It's okay. I did start writing. तो मुझे रात में कभी कोई ध्यान आए, किसी का ख्याल आ जाए कोई कहानी का, I would leap out of bed, go into my veranda, write out, come back to sleep again. So that's what got me started. And they were really from the heart. उसमें सच्चाई थी एक, और उसमें एक्सपीरियंस था बच्चे का, जो मैंने अपने बच्चों में देखा था, कैसे वो बड़े हुए, उनकी क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स थी. मगर वो इतना, it took off so well. I was writing 16 pages every issue. 16 pages. I don't know how I did it, but I did write 16 pages. And then on our first anniversary issue, he gave me the best present anybody ever could. Indira Gandhi came to inaugurate our first get-together show. And there were 5,000 children at Rang Bhavan that day. And we wrote such beautiful introductions. I wrote a little poem which justified each child, how he looks, how he behaves, because there were 5 find-outers, which Enid Blyton used to write about. It was like a group of children living in a locality who are friends, and things happen to them. That idea I really took from Enid Blyton. But the fact is that what they did was very Indian. It was not Western. They lived Indian, they ate Indian, they spoke Indian, they behaved Indian. So these kids went into have experiences with life. और उनके साथ क्या होता है और कैसे उसका हल निकालते हैं वो, that used to be the fun. So these children were known, and Mario used to do my drawings for me. I only made one request. I said, I want Mario to do my illustration. He said, you have him. He will do your illustrations. And I was so happy. I can't tell you. It made my day. And I used to write those stories, and he would then present them. So these characters were known to the readers. They knew how Bantu behaved. They knew how Radharani was, what all she liked doing. कैसे उसको चीज़ें पसंद आती हैं, क्या खाती है वो, क्या करती है, छोटा भाई मोटा भाई क्या करते हैं दोनों. They knew all these 5 characters. तो हमने उनकी इंट्रोडक्शन की, मैंने एक पोएम लिखी, and I told the children, I said, guess who this is. ये करता है, ये करता है, ये करता है, and we presented those children on the stage. And you should have heard the yelling of these children when they recognized, ये बंटू है, ये राधा रानी है, ये छोटा भाई है, ये मोटा भाई है, ये वो है, ये वो है. They knew them all, because we presented them like real people. Actually, there were our kids around, It was such a delightful experience writing those. I always consider that as the highlight portion of my life. And not necessarily the film section of it. But then I used these stories to make a serial for kids, which was, I think, pretty well liked. It was called Chand Sitare. मगर वो मेरी कहानियां थी, अपनी थी। तो मैंने कैसे, मुझको ये मौका मिला, मेरे को कहा किसी ने कि तुम बनाते क्यों नहीं हो। मैंने कहा कहानियां कहाँ हैं। तो मैं वेंट टू गुलजार साहब, मैंने कहा प्लीज आप बताइए ना, कोई लिख सकते हैं मेरे लिए कहानियां ये बच्चों के लिए। He says, have you written anything at all yourself? I said, yeah, a little bit. I mean, I write little novels, little bit I write. तो कहते दिखाओ तो उन्होंने एक दो तीन कहानियां पढ़ी। He says, you're mad, you got it all here. Take these stories, बनाओ इनके ऊपर अपनी कहानियां. And I did just that. It's called Chansitare, a very sensitive and nice program it is. And I said I will only give it to the channel that has the maximum exposure. It's meant for kids of my country and it should be seen by all of them. So I gave it to Doordarshan. I said, you want them? Take them for whatever. My gift to you. तो वो बार बार दिखाते हैं, कितनी दफा दिखा देते हैं, मगर उसमें एक सच्चाई है। चाहे मैं ही कह रही हूँ इसको, मगर है उनमें एक सच्चाई, क्योंकि बड़ी सिंसेरिटी के साथ बनाई गई है वो। एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, जब कोई चीज सिंसेरिटी से बनती है उसमें एक ब्यूटी आ ही जाती है, चाहे आप चाहें या ना चाहें, वो आएगी, उसमें एक खासियत हो जाएगी जो लोगों को पसंद आएगी। और वो बहुत पसंद किया गया था। इट वाज वेरी नाइस। देन आफ्टर दैट आई मेड लॉट ऑफ पपेट शोज फॉर देम। दीज वर एंटायरली माय एक्सप्रेशन। बनाए भी खुद, मोल्ड्स भी खुद बनाए, उनकी फेसेस भी खुद पेंट किए, उनकी ड्रेसेस भी खुद किए। देन आई गेव द वॉइस फॉर ईच ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स। अगर 5 कैरेक्टर्स हैं तो 5 वॉइसेस में मैंने डायलॉग्स बोले हुए हैं। It used to be such fun, you know, it was so fulfilling. I had a great time and all my family was part of it. हाँ, मैंने लिखे तो बहुत सी कविताएं हैं, छोटी छोटी लिखी हुई है। कहानियां तो नहीं सुना सकती, बहुत लंबी हो जाएंगी, 15-20 मिनट की कहानी हो जाएगी। मगर I can certainly give some poem or something to you. Let me see if I have anything lying with me here. There are one or two I would maybe. There used to be Bantu, one character. He was my son. He's inspired by my son. My eldest son. His name was Bunty. We used to call him Bantu. So he was called Bantu. So he featured in most of these stories as a character. तो उसमें एक मैंने पोएम लिखी थी उसके लिए। जब पापा मुझको ये बतलाओ, आज सवेरे जब चिड़िया घर चने मुरमुरों से थैला भर, मैं पहुंचा बंदर से मिलने, चीते भालू से कुछ कहने, नहीं किसी ने मुझको घेरा, मुझसे क्यों अपना मुंह फेरा। पापा ने कुछ सुना अनसुना कह के बंटू को यूं टाला, अरे तेरे पूछ नहीं है बच्चू, इसलिए गड़बड़ घोटाला। बंटू ने कुछ ध्यान लगाया, उनका कहा ठीक ही पाया। शेर बबर की दुम मोटी है, हाथी की दुम छोटी है, बंदर की लंबी सी दुम है, पर चूहे की छोटी दुम है, एकदम सीधी बिल्ली की दुम और गिलहरी की फूली दुम, दुम 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 दुम, जिसके देखो उसके दुम। बंटू की बुद्धि चकराई, फिर एक बात समझ में आई, चुप्पे से जंगल में जाकर संटी लाया एक तोड़कर, बोला पापा चलो साथ में, तुम्हें दिखाऊं अजब बात में, सभी जानवर चिड़िया घर के आज फिरेंगे आगे पीछे, मैंने भी दुम ढूंढ निकाली, सबसे बढ़िया सबसे आली। उसके दुम नहीं है बेचारे के, पापा ने उसको डफरा दिया, ठीक है तेरे दुम नहीं है बच्चों, इसलिए नहीं होगा, तेरा दोस्ती नहीं बनेगी उसके साथ। So like that, you know, their thoughts came and ideas came from here and there. और बस बन जाती थी कहानी। ऐसे कविताएं और कितनी बहुत सी लिखी हुई है, बट दे मार्मिक है, उनमें एक बात है। सो मजा आता था लिखने में, मैं बहुत आई एंजॉय दैट पीरियड ऑफ माय लाइफ, दो वर्किंग विद ऑल दीज बिग स्टार्स एंड एवरीथिंग वाज आल्सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, मगर दैट वाज एडल्ट। एक मैंने फिल्म बनाई थी मेरी परी, उसमें हमने एनिमेशन और लाइव एक्शन कंबाइन किया। जो एनिमेटेड कैरेक्टर है ड्राइंग से बनाया हुआ, और उसके साथ लाइव एक्शन में रियल पर्सन बात कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं। रॉजर रैबिट में ये किया गया था टेक्निक यूज, मगर रॉजर रैबिट उस वक्त बनी नहीं थी तब तक जब मैंने बनाई अपनी मेरी परी। तो उसमें ये आइडिया यही था कि वो लड़की इतनी भावुक है कि उसको कभी भी दिमाग में कुछ बात आती है ना तो वो कैरेक्टर्स उसके सामने आ जाते हैं। होमवर्क कर रही है अपना और देखते देखते उसकी बुक शेल्फ के ऊपर सारे कैरेक्टर्स बैठे हुए हैं और उनके साथ वो गप्पे मार रही है, तो माँ आके देखती है, अरे बच्चू क्या कर रही है तू, किससे बातें कर रही है, कहती नहीं नहीं उसके बाद बात कर रही हूँ। तो शी इज वेरी इमेजिनेटिव चाइल्ड। तो वो कैसे, हाउ इन लाइफ इन स्कूल she has to struggle to fight against this habit of daydreaming. तो उसके साथ क्या होता है, and she is eventually being asked to put up a stage show where all the class girls are dancing together on one song, and there she gets stuck halfway through the song she starts dreaming कि ये जो मेरे कैरेक्टर्स है ये बोल रहा है, ये बोल रहा है, ये बोल रहा है और कुछ भी, और वो बच्चे वेट कर रहे हैं कि ये इसको क्या हो गया, बीच में लटक गई आदि। तो वो मैंने फिल्म बनाई थी based on this theme only, how they sort of, उसमें एक छोटा सा डांस था in which halfway through she goes into a daze and she forgets that she's in her own world, she's a daydreamer, and how this child eventually surfaces and becomes a real responsible grown up child. तो उसमें आती कि छोटे छोटे कदम बढ़ाते लंबा रास्ता कट जाता है, बूंद बूंद पानी डालो तो गहरा सागर भर जाता है, नन्ही नन्ही कोपल से ही घना वृक्ष भी बन जाता है, मिट्टी के कणकण से कितना गहरा गड्ढा ढक जाता है, एक एक टांके से देखो दामन पूरा सिल जाता है, धरते धरते ईंट ईंट पर महल अनोखा बन जाता है, सीढ़ी सीढ़ी चलकर कोई मंजिल पूरी चढ़ जाता है। इसीलिए हर पल पूरी मेहनत से तुम लगन लगाकर काम करो, कभी ना हिम्मत हारो, जग में तकलीफों से नहीं डरो, धीरे धीरे सभी तुम्हारे काम सुधरते जाएंगे, अगर ना हिम्मत छोड़ोगे सब काम सरल बन जाएंगे। So this is a very the treatment was halfway through the girl goes into a daze और वो बाकी बच्चे वेट कर रहे हैं और डांस चलता जा रहा है, and how she comes back into reality and finishes the song and they win the prize for the school. So there were ideas, which were forward thinking, not negative and not nasty, not bakwas, but real progressive, worthwhile ideas which would help a child surface and discover that she can cope with the problems of day-to-day life. I used to do Kathak before I came to Bombay. In Lahore, I learned Kathak, but I didn't learn Bharatanatyam. And I remember my Guruji, when I wanted to learn Bharatanatyam, I was his first. Raja Rajeshwari Pillai was his units, name, where he taught. और वो आए थे मेरे घर में, आते थे सुबह 7 बजे और मैं डांस सीखती थी, मगर मैंने किसी को बताया नहीं फिल्मों में कि मैं डांस करती हूँ। It was never my intention कि I'm going to expose myself as a great dancer or something. But I used to dance and he would come early in the morning and teach me. And it was very, very fulfilling. I think it made me more graceful. Obviously, when you're, enacting in coordination with timing, your movements become more sensitive and you're much more graceful. So I did it more for the fun of it, not as to be a great Vajayanti Mala or anybody like that. Now it's the finale. I don't want to work anymore. If at all I do anything, it'll only be in the field of creative work for children. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं डांस को treat करूँगी as a stepping stone for doing more films. Dance for me was just an expression of, what should I say? It's an elevated feeling you get, and it teaches your body to be more synchronized, aesthetic. So you become more graceful automatically. और मेरी कोई ऐसी इच्छा तो है नहीं कि मेरे को 50,000 फिल्में करनी है। मैं करती थी जब मेरे बच्चे छोटे थे तब मैं बिल्कुल काम नहीं करती थी, अगेंस्ट ऑल ऑड्स। मेरे को घसीट भी कोई नहीं ले जा सकता था स्टूडियो में। वो लड़ते थे मेरे साथ कि ये कैसे हो सकता है। मैंने कहा देखो, अगर मैं अच्छा काम करूंगी तो मुझे कभी भी कोई भी आके पूछेगा कि प्लीज काम कर लो हमारे साथ। अगर मैं इतना डिजर्व ही नहीं करती तो क्यों मैं किसी के आगे पीछे भागूं। मुझको नहीं करना काम अभी। आई माई चाइल्ड नीड्स मी मोर, आई विल स्टे एट होम विथ माई चाइल्ड, आई विल नॉट वर्क। मगर एक आदमी है जिसने बहुत जिद की कि तुमने ही काम करना और किसी ने नहीं काम करना इस रोल में, और वो था मनोज। He insisted that I must play his mother in Shaheed. God, ऐसी मैंने persistence किसी में नहीं देखी. And then I became his slave after that. I said, after this picture तुम जो भी कहोगे मैं कर दूंगी. फिर मैंने उनकी सब फिल्मों में काम किया. All of them I worked in, whatever he produced and directed. I told शाहरुख, I said देखो लोग क्या कहेंगे, इतने साल मैंने फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में काम किया और तुम्हारे साथ काम नहीं किया, मैं करूंगी तुम्हारी फिल्म जरूर, ऑफ कोर्स आई विल डू इट। तो मैंने कर दी फिर, मगर रोल तो छोटा सा ही रह गया उसमें, मगर क्या फर्क पड़ता है, इट्स ओके, आई एम स्टिल द सेम पर्सन, आई एम मोस्ट अनअस्यूमिंग। आप काम करती हैं, आप यूर राइटर, यूर डायरेक्टर, यू कोऑर्डिनेट पीपल्स वर्क एंड ऑल, यू डू योर जॉब, आई डू माइन, दैट्स इट। उसमें क्या है अभी, my work requires a lot of glamour and you're put on a pedestal and you're made to feel greater than the greatest. कहाँ से? We are all doing a job. That's it. The with more sincerity you do it, the better for you. तभी it rings true. In my industry, I think it's very important that you be sincere. In what you're doing, be sincere. It comes across. आप उल्टा पुल्टा करेंगी और कहेंगे कि अच्छा मैं ऐसे हाथ हिलाऊंगी या ऐसे ऐसे करूंगी तो ये इम्प्रेशन हो जाएगा लोगों को, नहीं, comes from your heart. Do it from your heart and it'll ring true and you will get your point. So my basic, कई दफा मैंने कई सीन किए हैं and my directors have trusted me. मैं कई दफा कहती हूँ कि okay, give me 10 minutes preparation time and take the shot. मैं मूवमेंट कर देती हूँ आपकी, मगर मैं रिहर्सल नहीं करूंगी. And they've kept the first shot. Bimalda has done it. I told him, Bimalda, you read out the scene to me. I know it. आप लीजिए shot. No need. And he's kept the first take. तो इसमें क्या है, कितनी deeply आप उसमें involve हो जाते हैं. How much of yourself you put into that character helps. अगर रियल होगा, जेन्युइन होगा और कुछ तिगड़म नहीं लगाई होगी आपने कि मैं ऐसे हाथ हिलाऊंगी, ऐसा करूंगी तो ये इफेक्ट होगा, वो बात अलग है. मगर इफ इट्स जेन्युइन एंड रियल, इट रिंग ट्रू, एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू नीड, इज जेन्युइन सिंसेरिटी in acting. My personality is that whenever even as a kid, when I did this little short movie with my brother, what rings true out of that is the joy and the sincerity with which I performed that role, that character. I could do it. And then radio has been such a good trainer in voice. I did a lot of radio work. Used to hold my cycle right down to the radio station, do a program, get a check of 10 rupees. All 10 rupees! Wow! I'm going to get a new doll for myself. So I have played with Rafi Peer, Imtiaz Ali Taj, all these people made the plain major character, like the lead character against these stalwarts of radio. They are writers, they are actors themselves. And I used to do it without any inhibition, without any fuss. But that is because it was instilled in my mind that being sincere is important. You have to be very sincere to your character. That's good. Then you will carry it. मगर आप अगर सोचेंगे कि अच्छा ऐसे मैं आंखें हिलाऊंगी, ऐसे ऐसा करूंगी, तो होने वाला नहीं है. आंखें अपने आप हिल जाएंगी अगर आप you are in character. Your eyes will move according to your requirement of the role, if you are in character while performing it. So that is the most important thing, to be in character, and then it all takes over nicely. अपने आप जेस्चर्स भी वही आएंगे आपके जो नीडेड हैं, जो करेक्ट हैं, जो उसको उभारेंगे और भी आपके पर्सनालिटी को और आपके रोल को. तो वो वही है, you have to be genuine and you don't have to overdo anything. If you overdo it, you spoil it. I'm very grateful to people for having suffered me so long. It's very kind of them to think I can still survive and they won't throw brickbats at me. मगर मैंने किया है, काम किया है. I have been very selfish in a way because I have worked when I have felt like working. And I was very lucky कि मैंने roles किए हैं जब मेरी इच्छा हुई है roles करने की, and I was able to make a comeback every time. I had 3 babies I've produced and I've taken long leave every time, but I've made a comeback and it's been accepted. Like they didn't throw me out completely. They said she will do the job. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये हमको let down कर देगी. So that trust they had in me and I'm very grateful for that. And people have sort of liked me and my work, which is very, very gratifying and I'm very humbled by it, that they thought I was good enough. And I hope they will have good memories of our association with the film industry and films. And maybe somewhere somebody will be inspired, like I was inspired by Shirley Temple. I have to recite to you, what is the background of my having my first little acting stint? I must have been all of about 6, 7 years old or something. My brother was a great mentor, I tell you. He was the spirit behind our household. He did everything. He did photography, he did drama, he did stage, he played the violin, he did, you name it, he did it. And he allowed his sisters to participate in whatever he did. That is such a brilliant thing for him to have done. Normally brothers, they go their own way. Who's going to carry a girl around all the time? He never went without us. 3 sisters he carried around with him, and we went to all his parties, we went to his shows, we did every damn thing you can think of, he shared it with us. And that has been my background, and I hope I've shared it with my kids, not allowing them to sit back and say कि नहीं ये तो लड़की का काम है और ये लड़के का काम है. Whatever you do it with your spirit. Do it with gusto. It will help you in life. That's what I did. And I remember how he lifted me up and he put me on the stage and said, now recite this poem. So I said, what poem? And I was barely all of 7, 8 years old or something. He just put me there. He said, speak now. Go on, read it out. Not read it out, recite it. And I did. And it was such a cute little poem, but it had a rhythm which till today still stays in my head. There is a child who's sitting on the floor kicking her shoes off, like this, and her nurse is standing in front of her telling her, her nurse said to put them on. And Jane said, why? Because, said her nurse, is to keep your feet dry. That's what her nurse said. And Jane said, why? If a girl who does not do as she is told without forever saying why, we shall take her rubbers from her. And Jane said, why? That was the first poem on stage that I recited for my brother. And it's still in my head. It's such a small little thing. But it's there. That's what creates there is rhythm, there are pauses, there is expression, there is loud and there is soft and there is fast and there is slow. That all comes with understanding what you're trying to convey. So this is my first lesson in acting, which I learned while I was a little kid.